Hello, you're welcome to AppFix and In. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok mobile game live option not showing. So I made a video on how to live stream mobile game option on TikTok, and I was getting some feedback that shows that some people does not actually have this feature. So that's why I'm making this video, in order to show you guys how to fix that issue if you are one of those that does not have this feature on your own account. So looking right here on the screen is the home page of my TikTok app. So the first step you need to take in order to get the feature, if you click on the plus button like this and click on live, the live option, looking here below the go live, you're going to see mobile gaming. So if you're not seeing this feature on your TikTok app like this is what you can simply do. You need to go to your Play Store like this and search for TikTok. So when you search for TikTok like this, if yours says update, go ahead and update the TikTok app. Now if yours says open like this, it actually means that you are using the latest version of TikTok, so you don't need to worry about updating it. The next step you need to take is to go to your phone settings like this. So on your phone settings, you need to scroll like this and go to the apps section. So when you go to app section like this, at the top corner you can see the search button. Go ahead and search for TikTok, then click on it like this. So looking right here, you can see where it says storage. You need to go ahead and click on that. Now right here you can see where it says clear cache. You need to go ahead and click on clear cache like this and clear the app cache. Now sometimes this might be because it is a bug issue, so you can go ahead and click on clear cache and clear the cache of the app. So if after clearing cache yet the problem is not yet fixed, looking right here as well, you can see where it says permission. Now sometimes if you do not allow the microphone permission or the camera permission, you won't be able to see that feature. It might actually limit you from using the feature. So you need to go ahead and make sure that the camera and the microphone settings is actually turned on right here. They are actually allowed as the app permission. You can also click on music and audio and click on allow like this. If you like, you can go ahead and allow location. It is not actually compulsory for this specific feature. So after doing this and yet the problem is not yet fixed, you need to go to your account and check if you have up to 1,000 followers. You need to have up to 1,000 followers on your TikTok account in order for you to have this simple feature. So if you do not have up to 1,000 followers on your TikTok account, or you are not yet up to 18 years based on the date of birth you put while registering your TikTok account, then you won't be able to see this feature. So you need to make sure you are 18 plus and also you have 1,000 subscribers. If after having all this yet the problem is not yet fixed, you can go ahead and log out of your TikTok account. Click on your profile like this, click on the three line icon at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy, scroll to the very bottom, click on log out like this and log out. After logging out, log in again, then check if you now have this feature. So if you do not still have this feature after doing all this, you can go ahead and tap and hold the app, then click on the uninstall button, uninstall the app and reinstall the app back again. Now if after uninstalling the app and reinstalling the app, yet this feature is not yet on your account and you have all other requirements, and you can go ahead and try using a different device. Then if after using the different device yet the problem is not as fixed, you can go to TikTok support team and report this issue to them on the TikTok app. These are the ways you can actually fix this TikTok mobile game live option not showing on your own account. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.